am thinking that foldable. I am think I.
My God. Hi everyone, I am Samruddhi and welcome back to my channel. So I have been procrastinating everything lately. मुझे कब से स्टूडियो सेटअप करना था, but finally मुझे मुहूर्त मिल गया, so let's do that. There's a lot of things to do. I have to clean the room. Okay, so let's get started and you're gonna help me. First things first, tying up my hair because गर्मी. And we have Gala Mop to the rescue. This has made my life so easy. Planning to do pocha and simultaneously plan the setup. So firstly, यहाँ पे एक table है. I am planning to keep it here. I am planning to keep it here. Okay. This table. Please ignore the mess. I'm gonna clean it up. So ये table यहाँ पे जाएगा. Here we go. Table लग चुका है and वो सब table का part we'll do it later once everything is fixed. This corner is also ready. ये भी clean होने के बाद do you hate साफ सफाई वाला काम just like me or do you enjoy it like it's a therapy? Let me know in the comments. Okay, please don't judge me. All these chairs are old and I'm gonna get new ones. I have already. I've purchased some chairs from IKEA. I've kept it at my home. I'll get it someday. I'll get it tomorrow, not someday. Chill out, guys. So for now, I am just keeping this board here, my whiteboard here, right beside my sewing machine. I'm counting on you guys. You need to tell me where am I supposed to put that whiteboard. Please help me, guys. I think I'll keep this mirror just beside my table. So mirror भी अपनी जगह आ गया है. यहाँ पे wallpaper है. I don't want to ruin it. I use it for my photo shoot and reels. And I'm thinking यहाँ पे जो खाली wall है ना, I'll keep my rack. This table is my work table as well as my cutting table. So, of course, it's going to be messy, guys. Don't judge me. This, by the way, is from Simba Lifestyle. If you know Mridul, it's her brand. I was waiting for 2025 to end so that I could purchase a new planner from her. And here we are. So now we are cleaning this part. It's very chaotic and different things are put here. I don't even remember what. So let's clean this up and then I guess we are almost. Should I use this as my cutting board? Not cutting board, cutting table.
Three hours later.
Alright guys, a studio setup is done. Let me give you a tour. Alright guys, our studio setup is done. I hope you enjoyed the process. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.